I have a 2012 Ford Fusion coming in for a AC problem. As you can see, it runs. As you can see, I have this thing on max. The temperature is on max AC and there's no air coming out. So, well, first thing I'll do is I'm gonna remove the blower motor and we're gonna test it out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. The blower motor is on the glove box. It's not on the glove, I mean, it's on the passenger side on top of the glove box. We don't have to take out the, we don't have to remove the glove box completely. So yeah, just gotta make sure that the angle is good. Passenger side underneath the glove box, and here we go, man. This is the blower motor, and this is the, we're gonna remove the harness. What you need to do is press the tab, pull the plug. You might want to push your passenger seat all the way down or all the way back. And then as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3 bolts that we need to remove off the blower motor. It looks like it's a 5 or 6, one of the small ones. 5.5. There you go, it is a 5.5. So 5.5 1/4-inch socket with an extension about 3 inches. There's one. Two. The third one is on the opposite side. Three. Alright, so this is how you remove the blower motor. Alright, so this is the blower motor. What I have is a jumper, electrical wire, two. I prefer two of them. Basically what's gonna happen is we're gonna put power onto the blower motor and see if it responds. Alright, I have this. It's very good. So I'm gonna link all these tools on my description. If you guys are interested in getting them, I'm gonna put everything on the description. So yeah, anyways, to test this out, what we're gonna do is fairly simple. Make sure that these two don't connect or don't touch each other. You can place it on each pin, but like I said, make sure that they don't touch each other. We're gonna turn on the jumper. Before you place this, we're gonna lift up the, oh, hold on, I think that's what I'm gonna do. You gotta make sure you're holding it. Make sure it does not touch the other pin. So we're gonna put a power now. Alright, you gotta hold the motor. You gotta hold the blower motor and see if it works. Keep in mind that don't hold the fan like this. Hold it on the bottom, on the housing, for safety reason. Get a grip, because this thing could fly off and you could hurt yourself. So there you go. As you can see, it runs. So this is not the problem. The problem itself is the resistor. Let's do it again, opposite side. It runs, man, it runs. It's either the resistor or the climate control. Alright, so we're gonna put this back. This is how you diagnose a no air vent. It runs. So this is not the problem. Alright, so now that we checked the blower motor is good, going to install it back. Now what we're gonna do is remove the blower resistor. So it would be good if you could just install the blower now. Same thing as you removed it, or yeah. So make sure this thing is, you know, aligned. So you're gonna have to hold this blower motor up. You gotta hold it while putting the bolts. Unfortunately, this is just how it works. Then plug it in, plug in the harness. And we're now going to remove the blower resistor, which is located right here. Keep in mind that there's two different resistors, so you might want to take it out before you get the part. So just unplug it, unplug the harness, or unplug the harness, and then same thing. It looks like this is a 5.5 millimeter bolt. Same thing, same bolt as you used. It's a 5 millimeter bolt. There's only one bolt that's attached to it. It should be able to slide it off just like that. So this is the part number if you'll ever want to get it. I'm gonna order it real quick. So when installing this, just make sure you do the reverse. So just plug it in and then use the 5.5 socket just to tighten it, and then plug in the harness. That's about it. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope that this video gave you guys the confidence to work on your car today and figure out what the problem is. So if you like my content, you know, like, subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.